Hi everyone, what's up? Welcome to my vlog. My name is John Jeremy F. Pasculado and this is my vlog number 1A. So for today's video, I'll be introducing myself and sharing a little bit about who I am, what I like, and what I want to be in the future. This is just a simple and chill introduction, so let's start. To start off, I am 16 years old and I live in Kamanhak, Dumaguete City. I am currently a grade 11 UM student. Being a student is not easy, especially with deadlines, activities, and pressure. But I'm doing my best to keep going and improve little by little. When it comes to my hobbies and interests, I really enjoy playing online games like ML. These things help me relax, express myself, and escape stress, especially after a long day. I also spend time on social media, listening to music, and just doing things that makes me comfortable. Of course, I also have my likes and dislikes. I like being alone, and I don't really like some crowded places like that, Just like any other person, I also experience struggles. I sometimes feel pressured, confused, or overwhelmed, especially when things don't go as planned. But I believe that these struggles are part of growing up and learning more about myself. As for my future plans, I want to become a teacher or educator. I know that the journey won't be easy and I may not have everything figured out yet, but I'm willing to learn, grow, and work hard to reach my goals. I want to become a better version of myself, not just for me, but also for the people around me. So that's pretty much a short overview of who I am. This is just a small glimpse of my personality, interests, and aspirations. Thank you so much for watching my video and taking time to get to know me. I hope you enjoy this introduction. Once again, I am John Jeremy F. Pasculado and this is my vlog number 1A. See you next time. Thank you.